What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Android Shadow from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, come down, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top of the nose, and we'll fill the bottom area in black. Let's move to the side of the nose. We're going to draw the top edge of the muzzle. We're going to start with a curve that goes out and then down toward the left and right side. And then from here, it's going to curve this out and then up along the bottom of the eyes. Let's round out the side of the muzzle, come around and then in. And we'll follow that same curve, coming down and then in across the mouth. And then we'll close out the center with a curve going up the middle and then back down. Let's draw in the lower jaw, starting back on the left, curve this down, across, bring that up on the right. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the brow. We'll start on the left side of the nose, curve this out, and then up. Just gonna round out the top of the brow and pull that out towards the end. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Start beside the nose, going out and up, then bend that out towards the end. Now I want to curve this down and in towards the top corner of the muzzle. So go straight down, and then bend that in towards that point. Let's add a trim across the top of the eye. It's going to round this out and then come down. Now I want to move to the inside and draw on the pupils. Let's start on the left. We're going to draw a half oval, coming down and then back up. Do the same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. And then inside the pupils, we're going to draw a series of lines going across. Let's start from the bottom, go across the bottom of the pupils, step up. We're just going to continue to add these lines going all the way up toward the top of the pupils. Let's add a fold across the side of the head, starting from the muzzle, and this out, and then up with a short line. Let's go all the way up towards the top. We're going to add in the ears, starting up here. Bend this out and then up. And we'll line that up on the right side. And we'll draw the inside of the ear coming in and then down. Let's trace the ears along the inside. So we're going to start with the sides, going up towards the point, and then down. And we want to close out the bottom with a slight curve. Let's add that point in the center of the head, starting on the inside of the left ear. We're going to bend this up, and then in towards the middle. Just going to round that out, go out, and then down towards the right. And then we're going to add that thick stripe across the forehead. Let's start on the top left, come down, and then bend that in towards the middle, and then up towards the right side. Now let's add those spikes across the side of the head. We're going to start from the bottom of the left ear and draw a straight angle line, coming down and out, then it's out and then up. Let's line this up over on the right, come down and out with a straight angle line, and just curl this up towards the end. Let's work our way across the bottom. Bend this down and then in, and draw a short line coming in towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to draw that second spike. We're going to bend this down and then out. Draw a straight line going out towards the end. I'm going to work our way back in towards the head. Curve this down and then in. Bend this in and then up underneath the chin. Now let's go back and add that trim across the top of each spike, starting from the tip, going down and in, then it's up towards the top. Let's do the same thing across the bottom set, then it's down and in, and just taper up towards that top point. Now we're going to go to the center of the body and add that fur. Let's start with a V underneath the chin. To the top, angle this down and out. Go up and out. Now I'm going to work our way down towards the bottom. Come down and in. Go straight out towards the side. And we'll bend this down and then in towards the center of the body. Now from the side, we're going to move out and draw the body coming down, then in towards the hips. Want to leave a gap underneath the chin. Move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the left, and then the right. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Down and up. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw a straight angled line coming down towards the outside of the ankle. Now along the base of the leg, we're going to draw an oval. Going out, just tuck that in along the inside. From the side, straight down. And it'll curve the bottom. I'm also going to split this in half with a straight line. Now we're going to add that ring around the ankle. Starting from the left, go all the way around, come in, and back out. And then from the inside of the ring, draw the heel coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's flatten out the bottom, going straight out. And then we're going to separate out the heel. Go up, angle this down and out. Now we want to curve the foot, going out and then up. Let's flatten off the toe with a straight angle line, going up toward the top of the foot. And we'll bend this up and then in towards the outside of the ring. Now let's add a thick sole across the bottom. On the left, come down, and I'll bring this straight across in towards that point, and then in towards the heel. Let's go back up to the ring. We're going to separate the heel with a curve. And now we're going to go back up to the top and stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start from underneath the chin, then the arm coming down and then out on both sides. Let's round out the wrist. Bring that in and then up towards the side of the body. Now we're going to do the same thing we did with the ankles. We're going to draw an oval going around the wrist. And then from the outside of the oval, draw two straight angle lines coming down and out, then round out the bottom. Let's split the cuff in half with a straight angle line. And then we're going to add that ring, starting from the top, going up, across the bottom, and then back in. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the ring. Let's add in the thumb. We're going to curl this around and then down, round out the thumb, and then bend it back out, and then add the edge of the palm. Now we're going to curl 3 fingers on either side into a fist. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb with a half oval, going around and then back in underneath. Come down to the bottom, add another oval for the second finger, going in behind the thumb, and then we'll do that one more time. And then from the inside of the cuff, draw the edge of the palm. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with that half oval. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Android Shadow from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.